Hello everyone. Welcome to MRU E-Learning powered by Malla Reddy University. I am Dr. Sadia Intihab, Assistant Professor in Department of Communication Skills and Strategies, Malla Reddy University. So today we will explore one of the most important topics for every engineering student, essential strategies for building professional identity. Whether you are in CSE, AIML, IT, IoT or any branch of engineering, your technical knowledge alone is not enough. In today's competitive world, employers look for students who know how to present themselves professionally, communicate confidently, and build a strong personal brand. So in the next 20 minutes of my presentation, I will explain what is professional identity, what is personality branding or personal branding, and why these two matter for your future, and how you can build them using simple practical strategies, including the 2-minute rules by James Clear. So moving on with the presentation, let us understand what is professional identity. Professional identity refers to how you see yourself as a future professional and how others perceive you in an academic and workplace context. So basically how you are presenting yourself and how others see you in the academic or professional workplace that you're working in. And it includes your values, which are your beliefs and ethics that guide your decision making, your skills, your technical and soft skill, your communication style, so how you convey your ideas and interact with others, your work ethics, so your attitude towards work, including reliability and diligence, your teamwork, so basically how you work in teams, so your leadership, your empathy, understanding, inclusivity, all these would come under this. And the image that you project through your actions, all these are the components of your professional identity. Professional identity answers one powerful question, and that is, who am I becoming as a professional? So as a BTech student, you are not just learner, you are future engineers, innovators, problem solvers, and leaders. So developing a professional identity means shaping this future consciously, like you put conscious effort to shape this future rather than it happens by accident. So you have to put effort, right? So let's move on by understanding. After coming back from your personality, let's come to personal branding. So if professional identity is inner foundation, then personal branding is how you express that identity to the world. So personal branding is not about being famous. It is about being recognizable, trustworthy, and being consistent. So it includes how you introduce yourself, how clear your communication is, how would you write your emails, resumes, and LinkedIn posts, and how you would behave online on LinkedIn and other web pages, and how you represent your college, your team, and your projects. That would also include in personal brand. Also, when your personal brand is strong, people will remember you for your clarity, your competence, your positive attitude, and your reliability. So I would explain this by giving you a simple example. So if you are consistently producing clean code at your workplace, you are meeting deadlines, you are collaborating well, and you communicate respectfully, people will automatically recognize your brand as punctual, reliable, professional, right? So it is very important at your workplace. Moving on further, it also adds unique value proposition. That is, it differentiates you from your peers. Like it is like a brand that it makes you a brand that would show you as different from others where you are working. So it demonstrates your strength, your skills, and what makes you a preferred candidate in the eyes of employers. It also incorporates online presence. So your online presence also matters. So your online presence plays a significant role in personal branding. So it ensures that all your digital footprints, so from social media posts to professional profile, it aligns with the image you want to project in the workplace or in your academic setup. Moving on further with the presentation, let's talk about why professional identity and personal branding matters for BTech student. So I'll cover this up in 3 parts. So the first is competitive job market. So in today's competitive job market, thousands of engineers graduate for the same position, right? So you have to establish a strong professional identity that would set you apart from the rest of the crowd. Next, it also is important to project your attitude and your communication skill. So employers prioritize candidates who exhibit strong communication skill and effective teamwork and leadership abilities. So simply possessing your technical skill is not sufficient enough for you to convey your ideas clearly or to collaborate effectively. And then the last one is identity shapes action. So your self-perception influence your action and attitude. So believing that you are a responsible engineer fosters that behavior and affirms that belief. But if you say that I'm not confident, then your behavior will reflect that too. So your identity shapes your action positively or negatively. Okay, now let's talk about essential strategies for building professional identity. Now let us understand the most important practical strategy every student can start today. So we will begin with James Clear's powerful concept, that is 2-minute rules, taken from his book, Atomic Habits. So basically the rule says that when you start a new habit, it should take less than 2 minutes to do it. So basically it is simplifying your purpose to achieve that as your habit, achieve that action as your habit. So this means that you start small, right? You take first step, making it easier to develop skill over time. So make the habit easy, which is crucial for consistency. It also makes your habit easy, which is crucial for your consistency, right? You will become consistent. And when a task takes less than 2 minutes, is easier to integrate into your daily routine. Next, it also builds consistency, right? Because you are doing it every day and you're taking those small steps, it builds your consistency. So for example, if you want to become a good communicator, start with reading 1 paragraph daily, practicing a 2-minute self-introduction, or recording yourself speaking for 2 minutes. These 2 minutes transform your identity from I am not confident to I am improving every day. Okay, now let's talk about communication skills as identity building tools. What tools can you use to build your identity? So you have sounds of English in your first unit, right? So mastering sounds allow you to articulate words clearly, making it easier for others to understand you and enhance your overall professional image. Next, you also have pronunciation. This as well matters because it ensures that your message is conveyed accurately and demonstrate your attention to detail and commitment to effective interactions. This is like the most important thing, your self-introduction, the art of self-introduction, learning how to introduce yourself effectively. So this sets the tone for your future interactions, right? It tells if you are confident enough, right? And it showcases your professionalism and ensures that you leave a positive first impression. You can use cohesive devices like however and therefore, which are connectors, right? It helps in structuring your writing and speech logically. So using them effectively not only improves clarity, but also enhances your credibility as a communicator. Next, you will also have to enhance your vocabulary in order to build your professional identity. So building a diverse vocabulary enriches your language and enable you to express ideas more precisely. A strong vocabulary is a vital tool for any professional, allowing for better articulation of thoughts. Let's talk about building your professional identity step by step. So I'll explain it in 2 steps. So the first step is define who you want to become, right? So you ask yourself question, what kind of engineer I want to become? Do I want to become a punctual engineer? Do I want to become a good engineer? Ask these questions to you and set goals for yourself. Consider qualities such as reliability, creativity, discipline, and innovation. This clarity will shape your actions and decisions moving forward. Show your identity through small habits, like how we have talked to incorporate 2-minute rule to develop habits. So your professional identity is communicated through your daily actions. Small, consistent habit can significantly influence how others perceive you. So make it a point to submit your work on time. Be polite to in your interactions with others, and always keep your LinkedIn profile updated. These actions reinforce your professional image. Let's look at this slide. It talks about elements of a strong professional identity, right? So the elements of a strong professional identities are knowledge encompasses technical skills Obviously, knowledge encompasses technical skill. Knowledge does not only incorporate technical skill, it incorporates your daily behavior, your identity, your professional identity, your personality branding, right? And then obviously communication showcases your clarity. The way you communicate, if you are doing it effectively, it shows how clear you are with your ideas. And your attitude reflects willingness to learn. If you are consistent, if you are putting effort, that would show that you have willingness to learn new things. Next, your behavior demonstrates discipline. Your ethics are rooted in honesty and punctuality as well. Values show your commitment, and appearance affect first impressions. So your first impression is always very important. Please make sure to create an impression on the first go. Moving on further, personal branding in tech world. Why is this important in tech world, right? So you will be giving presentations in your workplace. So you have to present your project well. So with clarity and enthusiasm, showcasing your technical skill and creativity. So you can use visuals and concise explanation to engage your audience and highlight your contribution effectively. Next, writing clear descriptions. So write clear and concise description for your projects, your resumes, and online profiles like your LinkedIn. Clear writing reflects your communication skills and attention to detail, making it easier for others to understand contributions. Next is sharing your achievements. So you share your achievements on platforms like LinkedIn to build credibility and recognition, right? You will be visible to a lot of people if you create an account and if you are consistently working on your profile. So it highlights, you need to highlight your awards, certificates, or completed projects to showcase your skill and dedication and making yourself visible on these platforms. Next, you can publish mini blogs, right? Like how we have already read that in your syllabus that publishing mini blogs on LinkedIn can establish you as a thought leader. So you can share insights, industry trends, or project learning to engage with your network and foster professional connections. It is very important in today's generation to use AI tool to make your work more effective and to complete your deadlines on time, right? So you can utilize AI tools to enhance your speaking and writing skills, like for example, Grammarly, and you can make a presentation using Prezi. You can check your paraphrasing using Quillbot. So you can use these AI tools to complete your work on time and faster. So these tools can provide feedback, suggest improvement, and help you communicate more effectively in both written and verbal forms. So you can use ELSA to enhance your spoken as well, right? And then it is very important to build a network for your profession. So building a network of peers and mentors opens doors to collaboration and learning opportunities. So engage actively in your field by attending events, by joining clubs, and connecting with professionals. Let's look at this quote given by James Clear in his 2-minute rule Atomic Habit. So he says, every action you take is a vote for the person you wish to become. If you communicate clearly every day, you vote for a future where you are respected. If you practice skills daily, you vote for a future where you succeed. Professional identity is not built in one day. It is built through thousands of small actions. So understanding this quote, we all can incorporate certain changes in our life, and we all can incorporate habit formation so that our professional identity is developed in a way that is ready for industry. Let's conclude my presentation by saying that, in summary, investing in your professional identity is crucial for BTech students. It not only distinguishes you in a crowded job market, but also fosters self-assurance and paves the way your opportunity in internship and leadership roles. So I would like to end with something, that your identity is who you are, right? Your professional identity is what you want others to know about you, how you want others to perceive you. Your personality branding is how you will portray what you want to show to others and how will you do it, right? And this all can be achieved through small steps, small actions, either using strategies or through 2-minute rule. Thank you so much for listening.